My name is Marlin Nieves, and I am the principal here at PS 151. Not only am I the principal, I am also a person that grew up in District 32, went to the schools here in District 32. Being able to give back to my community is a foundational part for me. My three main key focus is always educating, empowering, and excelling. And I feel that we do that so well here at 151.
Hi, my name is Saul from 5th grade, and I'm the class president in Lyndon B. Johnson. It actually is a very nice school with all the clubs they have and all the fun things we can do. The LBJ Morning News is basically where students help people know the weather. We could tell them the lunch for today, and we just show them what a real news simulation looks like.
Good morning, LBJ family.
My name is Amber. I have two children here at PS 151, 1st grade and 3rd grade, and they've both been here since pre-K. They are thriving. They love coming to school. They're a little disappointed on the days off where they don't have to come, but they have everything here. They enjoy coming to school. They enjoy all the programs that they have. They enjoy their teachers. Everything about the school they really love.
I'm Mrs. De Leon. I've been a teacher here at PS 151 for 25 years. I teach 5th grade dual language. We use the roller coaster model. In the morning, we teach in one language, and in the afternoon, we teach the other language. And then the next day, we begin with the language that we're in. I have students that have come back here, the architects, the doctors, the lawyers, and they tell me, Miss De Leon, yes, I speak 2 languages, so I smile in 2 different ways.
Whatever culture you are, you're still allowed to come here. I know a lot of people here, and I know a lot of different cultures.
I'm Miss Marte, and I am a 1st grade NES teacher here at PS 151. My experience here as a teacher has been phenomenal. I feel like I've learned so much, and I've grown so much in this community of educators. With our students, what we do is we look at them as a whole. We look at their strengths, what helps them, what are their interests, and we go from there. We uplift them with their strengths, and then for their weaknesses or things they need to work on, we collaborate with one another to build a support so that they can keep growing.
Hi, my name is Rosaida Quinones, and I am a parent member. I'm a secretary for the PTA in school, and I'm also the parent of a 6-year-old that is in 2nd grade and is in the next program. Not every school has that program. My son has an IEP. From the first day, I felt so welcome. It's a school that is very family-oriented. They're always willing and able to help with whatever your concern is.
Principal Nieves, she's phenomenal. Sometimes we can feel stuck. We just need an extra mind, extra ideas, and she gives us that support. Like, hey, you can do this. Hey, I have an option. Hey, did you know? Together, we create this world for these students where they feel safe and comfortable, and they can reach for the stars knowing that they have their parents and teachers supporting them.
When I have my little ones, there was no other choice but to bring them here. My daughters always were happy. Every day they used to come upstairs to the 3rd floor to tell me what they have learned. And right now, my grandchildren come to the school. I would not put them anywhere in the district. There are 19 schools in District 32, but PS 151 is the family to come.
I feel like LBJ has taught me what a family is and how important education is. My son will be coming here in the next 2 years.
La escuela Lyndon B. Johnson es una comunidad en donde todos los niños, todas las familias son apreciados y son respetados. No importa el idioma que hablen, aquí somos una familia.
I'm Principal Nieves, and I would love you to join our Lions.